So what you can also do is you can export out your contents in document formats from Pixlr Designer. So to do that, you need to go around and click on save, and apart from image, you can see that document is an option. And over here, you can see that PDF document is an option. PXD is a native Pixlr Designer format that can only be accessed by Pixlr Designer. But PDF is a document format which can be accessed widely by different applications. So I'm just going to go around and select PDF right here and click on Save As. And on my desktop, I'm just going to go around and save the image right here. So once I do that, you can see that this is the PDF a file that has been saved. So if I were to go around and double click it, you can see that I can select out any application that I like right here. So I'm just going to go around and select Microsoft Edge and select this out right here. And you can see that it opens up the PDF image right here with the product right here, as you can see, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. This is the file in PDF format, just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.